You will find the key to the propane cage in the sheets good area on the right side of the bay door. You will grab this key, make your way out the bay door, and turn right. In the back of the parking lot, you will see a cage where the propane is. Go past the cube truck to the left of the blue bin. There is a yellow cage. It is locked, so you will need the key. Insert key and lock. Turn key to unlock. And to remove lock, you need to push back on the yellow handle here because it's under pressure, so you have to push back as you're trying to remove the lock. I need both hands, so I'll have to do it off video. When you replace the tank, you'll notice that one tank is facing up and one tank is facing down. Down means that tank is used and empty, and up means that that tank is full and ready to be used. So when you replace the tank, make sure that you put the empty one face down so that we know that we need to request for more propane. If you're using the last tank, notify your manager or supervisor so we can contact Superior Propane to come and replace and refill the tanks.